Hey, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to check to see if your website needs some updates. And as you can tell, it does. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to move myself over to the top right-hand side to the screen right here. There we go. And we're going to focus on the left-hand side. On the left-hand side of this web page, you'll notice that I'm logged into the back end of mkwebsite1.com, which is a staging website that we've got set up. And you'll notice that as I kind of move closer to this dark gray navigation bar on the left-hand side, there are three areas here: updates, comments, and plugins, where there are notifications from the website. These notifications tell me that there is something going on here. In the update section, this section will tell me the overall updates that need to be made to the website. It could be to the website theme, it could be to the plugins, which are various tools that we use to operate the website, or it could be in the comments. So in this section, if I add up 9 and 3, we've got 8 plugins here, and we got 3 comments here. So that is 11. So what is this 12th update? It's probably this thing right up here. It says WordPress 5.9. From time to time, WordPress being an open source tool, it will ask you to update the WordPress installation maybe once every few months when there's a core update. And this allows your website to stay nice and clean, nice and fresh, and also very secure. And on top of all that, there's all these different plugins. So your website may use a number of different plugins or tools that help it to operate. These tools might be form plugins, migration tools, backup tools, and other features that you may not even know about that are on your website because they help it function better. So depending if you're a chiropractor, a plumber, a mechanic, or if you're operating an e-commerce store, you're going to have various plugins that help your website move and actually function better. But you'll notice there are 2 different kinds of plugins on this website. And what do I mean by that? Well, look, some of these plugins are blue and some of them have this white background. The blue ones are active plugins that are enabled on the website and are actually being used. The white ones, they are deactivated. They're uninstalled. So in most cases, we could probably delete them. And you'll notice that, hey, there's a lot of these plugins that need to be updated. I could go ahead and do that now. I'm not going to, because I want to make sure that you're very aware that before I do this, we've got to make sure that your website is backed up. If you're hosting on empathyhost.com, you're in good hands. There are daily updates being made to the website, so you can go ahead and update this. In fact, you can probably even enable auto updates. But we'll cover both these things in a new video. The most important thing here is that when you log into the website, you can use these orange notifications to find out how many updates you need to make to the website and what are the updates. So if you're working with a website developer, you can tell them that your website needs updates and specifically ask any questions about anything you've seen here, whether it's the comments, the plugins, or initially when we go back to the dashboard, you'll notice that there's this WordPress plugin. It sounds like there's a new version available and they want you to update to the latest and greatest. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.